It's like having a lantern in your hand. This is one of those cordless rechargeable table lamps. I really like these things. I have 3 of them, and I use them for emergency lights and desk lights and all kinds of stuff. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are going to be my own. This is a really lightweight and really sturdy feeling aluminum alloy lamp. It comes in 4 different colors: brown, gold, white, and this one, which is the black. Feels really well built, and it's actually nice looking too. The packaging on it is great, and when it shipped in styrofoam, so the lamp was perfectly protected from damage during travel. Comes with some directions, but it's really simple to use, and I'll show you that. And it comes with a really decent sized USB Type-C charging cable because it's a rechargeable device. You recharge it right here. And I really like that I can actually use the lamp while it's charging too. It's hard to see. The little red light comes on here when it's charging, and when it's fully charged, it turns green. And on the bottom here, we have an anti-scratch rubber pad, which is nice. On a full charge, it'll work for about 16 to 24 hours based on your preferred light settings. Simple to use. It's just touch on and touch off. And when you got it on, if you want to dim it, you just press and hold it down, and you can see the light dims all the way down to its lowest setting. Press and hold it again, and it lights up all the way to its highest setting. It's got an IP54 waterproof rating, so it's fine for like covered outdoor areas like patio or a deck, grill, picnic table, whatever. It's a really nice rechargeable lamp. Super simple to use, looks great anywhere. It's great for indoor or outdoor everyday use. It'd be great for camping. Would be great as a desk lamp. Great as a bedside nightlight. Great as an emergency light if the power goes out. It's like having a lantern in your hand. Great for shining light on activities like puzzles, and great for the dinner table. And I love it as an emergency light. That's my favorite part about it, but very nice, love it.